What am I doing today? Some more flying, just a little bit. I have 3 batteries charged up, and just need to practice this slow, smooth flying. And then after that, I don't know if I'll do anything else. Maybe I'll work a little bit more on the game. Maybe not. So here's review of the process. So this is a case I actually designed and printed for this quad, this drone. Plug my batteries in, or battery, single battery. Actually, now I'll just strap it on because turn on the remote. Plug in my headset, put it on my head. And what I've been flying in is what they call angle mode. Or I guess stability mode, because what that does is it auto levels. The flight controller has an accelerometer on there, so it can tell if it's level. And when I push forward on the control stick, it tilts as far as I push forward. But if I let it go, it goes back to center. Now in acrobatic mode, it doesn't do that. If I push forward, it tilts at a certain rate. The faster I push, or the more I push the control stick, the quicker it spins. So you can actually flip all the way over, upside down, and keep going. But in stability mode, it won't flip all the way over. It goes to a certain angle and it stops. But it's a little bit easier to maintain control in closer spots with angle mode. So that's what I'm flying in. Adjust my diopters here. Cat does not like this thing. Cat running back and forth, running around. They do not like this. I think because the wind blows on them and the noise, but they don't like that wind. So I wasn't chasing them this time. I don't know if they know it's me or not doing this. It doesn't seem like they do. Now I'll pack it up. Actually, keep this one out because I gotta get the memory card out of there. So I'll leave this out here for now. Take my batteries and my headset and put them away. I decided what was next. I will do I'll make a little bit of music to go along with the flying inside, just cause it's a little bit more interesting to watch. So this is a little keyboard that my brother-in-law gave me. I'm not the most skilled musician or anything, but I do enjoy making music. Well, this is the Axiom M Audio keyboard. It's a really nice little keyboard. Load up my dough. Fortunately, I don't have to be too good. what I did today.